السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته كسر دوالة channel BAKAR media مركلة ما أنتوا حان جوجنا نيروبي تاونكا مثل نيروبي CBD سادو تقانامبا dadka Kenyanka oo na Soomaalida ahna ay rabnaa inaan fiirino inay ka soo dhaxsaari karaan calanka Soomaaliya calaamada kala dunida aad u mahadsantiin nala daawada
شجينه سحلي عالسياد وقوابينه عيد كرة صادنادو أردو مسك سامين عالم كبر أسرار يسو صوماليا نوناتو حسنادو نحبينو عصبيسو فرحتي حسنا المسانينو سانكور أقول إستو عساليو على
welcome to BAKAR Media. So the question of today is I'm gonna show you like 5 different flags. So I want you to name the ones that you know. Is that okay?
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, let me show you. The first flag is here. Which country is this?
Algeria.
No, this is Chinese. This one?
America.
America. Okay. This one?
This is TZ.
This is South African flag. How about this one?
Uganda.
Uganda. Okay. How about this one?
This is not Saudi Arabia.
No. So take a second guess. Which one is it?
You
don't know?
Yes.
So which country borders Kenya to the east?
Which country borders Kenya to the east?
Yeah.
To the east. Somalia,
exactly.
Yes.
So this is a Somali flag.
I don't know a Somali flag. I've never seen a Somali flag.
So you never knew?
Yes.
So from today you know?
Yes, I know now.
Okay, thank you. Welcome.
Thanks even for giving me that knowledge.
Okay, welcome.
Thanks.
Hi bro, welcome to BAKAR Media. What's your name?
My name is Swabir.
Swabir, welcome once again. So the question of today is I'm gonna show you like 5 different flags. So I want you to name the ones that you know. Is that okay?
Okay.
So we'll start. To begin with, this is the first flag. Which country is this?
The country is Egypt.
No, this is not Egypt. This is China. So how about this one?
The next one is United States of America.
Yeah, this one is the United States of America. Okay. How about this one?
That one is Tanzania.
No.
It's oh, I don't know that one.
This is South African flag. How about this one?
That one is over Uganda.
Yeah, this one is Uganda. And this the last one. Which country is this?
The last country is Somalia.
Somalia. Wow. You knew the Somali flag.
Yeah, I knew the Somalia flag.
You caught me by surprise. How did you know?
Just from school.
Okay, so wewe ni mbingwa sasa. Wewe umejua Somali flag?
Yeah, najua Somali pia, napenda Somali.
Okay, thank you. Welcome once again.
Welcome so much.
Okay, thank you. Hi too. Welcome to BAKAR Media. What's your name?
Isa.
Isa?
Yeah.
Isa, are you Muslim?
Yes.
Okay. So today the question is I'm going to show you like 5 different flags of different countries. Yes. I want you to name the ones that you know. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Which country is this?
Looks like Turkey.
No. Take a second, guys.
Difficult.
This is Chinese flag. Okay, how about this one?
USA.
The United States of America, you know.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, how about this one?
South Africa.
South African flag. How about this one?
Uganda.
Okay, the last one here.
No idea, but as a guess, I'd say Scotland.
No. Take a second guess.
Mauritius.
Okay, let me give you a hint. This country borders Kenya to the east.
Somalia.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This is a Somali national flag.
I never knew.
Okay, from today you know.
Now I know.
Okay, thank you. Welcome once again.
Thank you for informing me and enlightening me too.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you.
Hi bro, welcome to Bakar Media. What's your name?
Alvin Abdul.
Alvin. Alvin, so nitakuwa na kuonyesha 5 different flags of different countries. So I want you to name the ones that you know. Kwa sawa?
Yeah.
Okay. To start with, which country is this one? China.
China.
How about this one?
America.
The United States of America. How about this one?
This is Uganda. This is Uganda.
No. This is the South African flag, okay? Yeah. How about this one?
Uganda.
Hii ndio ya Uganda sasa. Na ya mwisho hapa?
Somalia.
Somalia. So you know the Somali flag?
Yeah.
Okay. So ni nini inakujanga kwa akili yako ukiona Msomali?
Msomalia nikimwona. Yani tu akili inapiga. Yani wale wa kulinda, yani kuguide, yani inchi.
Okay. So the security guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Welcome once again.
Alvin.
Thank you. Karibu tena. Asante.
Asante.
Okay.